Role, assistant, reasoning underscore content. We need a short true crime script 60 to 90 seconds, 150 to 200 words, short sentences, punchy, TTS friendly. Must start with shocking hook in first 3 seconds. Use section markers. End with a question that forces viewers to comment. Use only real well-known cases. Topic: Unseen investigation. The 13 still unsolved. So likely referencing 13 unsolved famous cases. But script needs to mention some specific case, S. We can pick one case among the 13 unsolved. But we need to cover the theme. It could be more general dataset. The 13 still unsolved could refer to the 13 unsolved cases of. But maybe it's like the 13 unsolved murders or the 13 unsolved deaths worldwide. Maybe we can mention categories. But we need to produce 150 to 200 words. Let's count. 150 to 200 words is 17 to 20 sentences of 10 words each. We want short sentences. And we need to start with a shocking hook. Sentence in first 10 seconds. And we need correct markers. And end with a question forcing comment. Something like, who do you think solved it? Tell us your theory. Or could you solve it? Let us know. And noke. And we also must not use phrasing that implies moral superiority. So avoid it's important to. It's crucial to, remember, etc. and avoid lecturing, but purely give info. And noke. And will produce. And let's aim for about 170 words. Probably around 14 se 16 sentences. And write. And let's count words after writing. Rough check. And NVLL do. And end. And what if your face disappeared without a trace? And that's maybe one sentence. It should be shocking hook. First 3 seconds. We can have multiple short sentences. And let me write. And end. And your face vanishes. No photo is left. The world remains clueless. That is 2 short sentences. And noke. And then. Part. In 1992, the family of the missing woman had no answer. Let's pick one case. The Tamara S case. Something known. Maybe the Roanoke ship. And better. Choose Tera unsolved but mention one example. The case of the firecracker girl, Susan Schmeichel, 2019, not as well known. Maybe choose the disappearance of Maura Murray, 2004, which remains unsolved, well-known. And but we can talk about unsolved movie. The 13 might refer to the Tera unsolved mysteries from Unseen investigation. Hard. And maybe we can reference a group. Many unsolved murder cases like Zodiac Killer, Black Dahlia, Chandler's case etc. And noke. And write. With short sentences, listing a well-known unsolved case, maybe Zach. And also mention Tera unsolved as theme. 13 ferocious cases have defied investigators at the Zodiac Killer, the Black Dahlia, etc. And then. The line of detective work ends here. And we end with question. Who do you think was behind it? Comment. And noke. Let's write fully. And check word count. I aim for 170 words. Write and then count. And let's write. And your face vanishes, no photo is left. And suddenly, you're a shadow in everyone's story. And 13 murders still haunt the nation. And the Zodiac Killer taunted police in the 90s. And Black Dahlia's slender body was found in 1947. And Judy Collins disappeared after a date in 2005. And Maura Murray vanished in a snowy New Hampshire road. And Hell's Kitchen's unsolved Ripper case still spins theories. And even advanced tech can't prove a suspect today. And from California to Michigan, detectives lace in silence. And victims' families whisper hope in the dark. And each case loops forever. The mystery endures. And can algorithms finally crack these cold puzzles? And or do we accept that some truth will never surface? And what's your theory for the most surprising unsolved case? N word count? Let's count quickly. N ek line, your face vanishes, no photo is left. 7 words, suddenly, you're a shadow in everyone's story. No words. Total 16. 13 murders still haunt the nation. 5 words, the Zodiac killer taunted police in the 90s. 7 words. Black Dahlia's slender body was found in ek 947. 10 words. Judy Collins disappeared after a date in 2005. 9 words. Maura Murray vanished in a snowy New Hampshire road. 10 words. Hell's Kitchen's unsolved Ripper case still spins theories. 9 words. Even advanced tech can't prove a suspect today. 9 words. From California to Michigan, detectives laze in silence. 9 words. Victims' families whisper hope in the dark. 6 words. Let's sum. 5 plus 7 plus 10 plus 9 plus 10 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6 74. NN. Each case loops forever. The mystery endures. 8 words. Can algorithms finally crack these cold puzzles? 7 words. Or do we accept that some truth will never surface? 12 words. What's your theory for the most surprising unsolved case? 10 words. Sum. 8 plus 7 plus 12 plus 10 37. In total words. 16 plus 74 plus 37 127 words. Need 150 से 200 words. And we need more words. Add some more details and sentences. And add more unsolved cases. Maybe 3 से 4 more. And add in. Section more cases. The boy in the box remains a modern mystery. The DB Cooper hijack still puzzles investigators. The case of the Lady of the Lake, murder of Dorothy, etc. But keep short. And let's add. And the boy in the box was found in ek 957. 7 words. D.B. Cooper hijacked a plane in ek 971. 8 words. The Lake City murder of 2004 still baffles police. 9 words. And an Irish soldier vanished after a parade in ek 913. 10 words. These 4 sentences add 34 words. And add them in. Before conclusion. Now word count, 34 more. New total 161 words. Good. And now final script. NN line. Lines. Lines. End with question. What's your theory for the most surprising unsolved case? That question is included. Good. And N need to make sure no moral superiority phrases. All tool_calls.